Oh, that was a good piss. I mean, I was just checking the tire. Or, I mean, the hitch. But today we're off to Grandpa's farm. I don't know what's all there. He passed away not too long ago, so. But I heard my grandma's, she living at my house. I bought the farm from them, and now we're going to see it for the first time. I heard that he was a very wealthy man, so I'll go see what's going on here. We're like a couple minutes down the road, should be right around this corner. I'm not too familiar with the layout of the land here. This should be it right here, I think. Pull in here, he's got a header trailer out here. Baler sitting out in the open. We'll go see what he's got going on here. This is my truck. It's a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. Some nice big old wheels. Okay, right off the bat I see what kind of baler is this. This is a Kuhn V8 3190. It's got a round baler. It's got a few bales in here. What is this gem? This is looks like a 2018 Dodge 3500 Cummins. With a, I want to say 40 foot PJ trailer. A load of bales in the bed. What else? Oh yeah, so he was a wealthy man. He got, what is this? Kenworth? Let's hop inside this thing. Oh man, this thing's decked out. Not bad. He's got a Tridem trailer, Wilson I think. Load King, yeah. 3 hoppers. Ooh, look at this rig over here. I wonder what he carries on this. Voltage toy hauler. There's something in there. I think there's something in there. I don't know what this is. I want to say 2010, 2000. Holy, look at those spikes. I want to say 2010, 2011. Duramax 3500 HD. The flat deck on it. Those are some big spikes. I want to check out what's in this trailer. So, we'll go like this. And then with that, and then. Oh, this thing sounds mean. Okay, let's check out what's in this trailer. I think there's something in there. Oh, what is that machine? Okay, we gotta unfold this trailer. How do I unfold this? There we go. What is this? Damn. Might be broken, it sounds a little bit off. Am I able to back up on this trailer? No, I don't know if I'm getting this thing out of here. I'm trying to see if I can get it over this trailer. It has those big lugs on it, you think it would. Okay, no, it can stay in here. It can stay in here. What else you got? Oh, is that some green right there? Maybe he's got some. We'll go through the sheds first. Nothing in here. Oh, maybe he works at the bale sell point too, because there's bale sell point right here. Oh, what is that? Is that the General E? The General E? No, I'm just playing. I think it's a show version. See if this thing fires up. Right on. Not bad. The Can-Am Maverick X3, I think. Not bad. There's got an auger tractor over there too. No. This is an 8RT. It looks like it's got the three. What would you call it? It's got the wide tracks with man, he didn't keep his equipment clean. Must not care about his money. Exactly merge. John Deere. I don't know the numbers on them though. Let's go check out this machine over here. Oh, we got an old Oliver. 1855. With a backhoe auger on it. See if we can fire this thing up. So want him to start. I think it's out of fuel. I'm pretty sure it's out of fuel. I'll have to get some fuel from that. And I know he's got a combine and another tractor at the shop. But we gotta go to the shop and put a fuel tank in the truck. What's in here? Oh, it's the same shed, okay. We gotta go put a fuel tank in the truck at the shop. And then fill up the auger tractor, get it put away, and then go see what he has for ground to plant in this year. I know he has one seed of it ready. So I'll just run down to the store. I think we can get a slip tank at the store. And I know he just, like, a couple weeks before he died, there's still snow on the ground. He bought a new combine because his old one was giving him troubles. If I'm not mistaken, this is the store right here. I see equipment outside of it, so. I think we have to go over here to order things. No, that's not what it is. Okay. Oh. So this is my truck manager. Keep the aftermarket lights. Yeah. Aftermarket. Here's. Okay, right here. So for the toolbox, the manual. There's a slip tank. Okay. That sure we got. Okay, we got Tiger Tank. Now we need to find a where we can get fuel. So let's go to our. We'll go to our iPad here. Zoom in on the town map. It says we can get fuel here. Okay, we'll go try that. Oh yeah, I guess we gotta. So this is, I believe it's a 7220 with a 603R loader and a bale speed. And then you got a brand new John Deere X9. He just bought this. His old combine, he had a 90 or a 690 before. Or a 790 before, and it gave him problems, so he got a new one. Oh shit. So we're just gonna rip over to the thing first to see if we can get some fuel. Or maybe it came with fuel in it. Check this out. I want to see this. Whip back over to the farm quickly. Oh, we're drifting, baby. My truck has really bald highway tires on it right now, so it's not the best. We'll see if we can fire up this Oliver. It's got a, I think it's a Capello corn head right there, and a bean head on the other side of it. I believe this tracker might have ran. This thing has a lot of hours on it. Maybe not close enough. It's got 118 liters of diesel in it. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Oh, you can just pay someone to come and get it. I'll just pay someone to come and get it when you want. I know he's not. Oh. I know he's got land back here. A lot of weeds. And I believe he's got cotton that's gonna have to get ripped up. We don't use cotton around here. Soybeans, I keep those. I'm gonna have to seed one of these to grass, I think. Yeah, I told you all the way around my property. Alright. Park this there. Yeah, see how bald my tires are. Oh, this is nice. Fancy. I'll pull this out of here and then take it over to the field, and I guess we'll start seeding. I don't know what happened here. I don't know why there's a mark here. Should we unfold now? Yep. There we go. Damn, the thing unfolds quick. Okay, well, fire up. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that. Fire it up, drop it down. get cruising here. Yeah, what's going on? I've ran one of these tractors once in my life before. That was at my cousin's farm. No, I'm not the best at seeding, but we'll make it work. Oh, I own that property too, right beside us. One of these fields is for sure going to grass. We're gonna make that, oh yeah, we made that all day. It's kind of hard to see with the weeds, it's kind of hard to see which is brown, or like which is crop ground and which is grass. It's working pretty good though. This is pretty nice planting. He's got a lot of nice equipment around here. Either we're gonna have to make some grass bales, or we're gonna have to buy some in a couple days here. My grandma told me that he was planning on starting cattle operations soon. That's why he was starting to get bales. He's got a pretty nice layout of the land though. Pretty challenging doing this all in cab view. We are in fact planting soybeans right here. Those are getting the mice down there. Oh, that place is right there. Since very new, it only had 0.9 hours on it. I always do 2 headlands around each field. you guys are down to help a guy out, you could comment down below what you want, or like comment what I should do to make the videos better. And also, subscribe and like. And I'm still figuring out my editing. I need to learn how to edit better. We can actually plant it. I think this is a high-speed planter because we can plant them pretty quick. Are you gonna hit that? Oh, perfect. Wasn't a big deal if we didn't. Those rows that I'm missing over there, like that aren't getting any of the that are already seeded, they're on auto shut off, so they just ride the ground and it shuts off when it is already overlapping. I might start doing up the backs here. Actually, no, I'll keep following it. We're almost at the end right here. So square the field off. Not square it off, but it'll make it into a chunk. Yeah. I know my videos aren't going to be consistent because I got a lot of stuff to do. And the truck mods that I showed you, like the Kenworth and the one that's in the camper and my personal truck, those are only on PC. And they're all public. So we're just going to go straight and square this off. How's the rig marker down? Quickly drifting, that wasn't. Oh, it wasn't my seated ground too. Damn it. Damn it. I really don't like ridge markers.